My name is Marc Yoder, and my title at Hoober's is Regional Director. That involves looking over the precision ag side of the business for 4 stores that we have in Pennsylvania and Maryland. What we have here is our precision ag training trailer that we have here at Hoober. And what we did was go ahead and put together a trailer that allows us to go out and do 2 purposes. We're not only going out and using it as a training trailer, we're also using it as a show trailer for setting up at shows and field days and different things like that. As far as the training aspect, you can see a few different tables set up where the customer can bring his monitor in and plug it in, power it up, and go through a class session that we have, and basically get him set up, ready to go for the upcoming season. As far as the show trailer, what we use it for is to go out and basically we can set up at a show, bring a customer in through the door, show him any configuration, whether he has a sprayer, combine, a planter. Go ahead and set that same configuration up on one of the monitors and basically simulate what that would look like in the field. If he's having issues in the field, we can simulate it here and help him out. Also, if he's looking to make a purchase of some sort, we can show him the ins and outs of each monitor, compare the monitors in between, price range or what he's looking to do there in his operation. What it does as far as the training center portion, what it does is allow the customer to know that, hey, we're not just going to sell you the hardware and hey, you're on your own at that point. It offers some training on the winter months and the off season when it's not being used. What we found is customers will put it away. The operator might put it away May 1st and not pull it out and look at that same screen until maybe April 1st. So 11 months later, he has to try to remember what he remembered the prior year. And what we can do is go out January, February, March, do a training session. Allows him to get a jump start. Hey, some of these menus do look familiar. I remember that from last year, and basically give him a jump start for the upcoming season. Not only does it help him out, it helps us out. The call volume, as far as the simple questions, seem to go down quite a bit based on these training courses that we offer. And we offer Case IH, Pro 700 training, Raven display training, Ag Leader training, Trimble training, and then we can also offer some sprayer trainings and do some internal training of our own in this setting as well. That's something else we do. We'll drop this off at a store and have all the mechanics come out and do internal training at the same time. It beats having to send everyone to out west for a training event when we can do it ourselves. So. As far as the use of the trailer, we're using it pretty much from the middle of January to April 1st. It has a designated schedule, which pretty much every week it's going to a different location. Hoober Incorporated has 9 stores, so if you're doing several days of training, it does add up, and it takes a couple months to have that circuit taken care of as far as the different stores it goes to. During the summer months, we do a lot of field days. Field days are just that. They're out in the field. So what it allows us to do is pull the trailer out into the field. We can set up shop. We have electricity. We have direct current voltage in here. So it doesn't matter if we're out in the middle of nowhere in a field for a customer event. We still have power. We can run the air conditioners, power all the monitors, power laptops, and it works great for that. And then also for shows, um, if we pull it out to a show, it makes it nice for pulling in quickly, setting up, doing the show, and then likewise when it's time to take down and head out, it goes a lot faster when you can just throw everything in a trailer and head out. A lot of investment, a lot of man hours in the trailer. I mean, you can see these boards behind each board. There's a lot of wires. The spray tank that's in the far end, that's a custom tank that we did with its own control valve, flow meter, own tank, own pump. Um, and actually, that tank is doing the individual nozzle control, the capstan product. Um, so there's a lot of thought, a lot of engineering that went into a custom project just like this. Um, and the problem is when you start using technology, it constantly updates. So we are having to pull the old out, put the new in, just to stay current with what's available in the industry today. We don't necessarily want to be showing something that was 5 years ago. As far as the current product, we want to show customers what's available right now. Um, like I said, it's been a work in progress, definitely.
Good.